Welcome to Learning for Kids.
Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We are going to write missing alphabets. And these are all the small letters. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all the color pencils. Let's learn the names. Black color, brown color, orange color, green color, violet color, blue color, green color, pink color, yellow color, pink color, red color, and sky color. Okay, let's draw a alphabets. Green color. Small A. B for apple. Black color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Blue color. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Violet color. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. Sky blue color. G. G for goat. H. H for hat. Pink color. I. I for ink. J. J for jar. Green color. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. Red color. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Yellow color. S. S for sunflower. Pink color. T. T for table. Blue color. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Sky blue color. W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Red color. Y. Y for yellow. Z. Z for zebra. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.